So guys, what is up? Today we are going towards, where we are going, bro?
Tungarli.
Today we are going towards Tungarli.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a
Tungarli is basically a lake where we are heading towards, and I'm alongside with MS Jadhav. So shout out to him. Yeah, subscribe to his channel. He's the inspiration of my YouTube channel, so you can go and watch. And today we are going to shoot a video which compares iPhone 13 and
GoPro Hero 9.
GoPro Hero 9 and iPhone 13 mini. So we are gonna compare these two phones, these two cameras, actually which one is better. So actually recently I bought this phone. Before that I used to shoot with this beast, this tiny little, it's iPhone SE first generation, and now I have switched to iPhone 13 mini. So let's see what the difference it makes. So guys, look here, he properly wrote a script that we are gonna compare, and the video will be on his channels. Okay, so in this channel you can only see the travel destination, and on his channel you can see all the technical specification of this comparison that we are going to do. So guys, we are about to reach the destination, and let me show you the road. So guys, we are now testing this beast. It's called GoPro Hero 9, and we also have a guitar at back. So maybe you can see some clips on my Instagram. So follow me.
what you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. So tell me, oh, will you believe? So tell me, oh, will you believe? So tell me, oh, will you believe? So tell me, oh, will.
So guys, we have reached our destination, and now let me show you what we have, how much gears we are carrying. So first we have a guitar, a GoPro, a camera,
It's in the bag.
and here's a gimbal. Okay guys, so now we are heading towards our location. So let's see what we have there. Guys, just look at the place, and wow, there's so much haryali. Yep, actually, look at this place. So guys, we have the lake in front of us, and then the sunset's gonna be just like, you know, bone chilling. And just look at this place. Wow. And bro is shooting some stuff for the introduction. Oh shit.
काय बोलतो?
बोले इथं बसून गिटार वाजवणार मी आता.
काफ़ी सारी फैंटेसीज हमारे दोस्त की, यहाँ पे जाके गिटार बजाने वाला है अभी पानी में.
The thing happened is I forgot his script in our car, so I'm just going to get it back and see this lake. And Mayur Jadhav just told me that this place is actually illegal to shoot any professional videos. So now we are doing some illegal activity. But yeah, it's okay. If they caught us, they're just gonna fine us like 200 or 300 bucks. Nothing more than that. So it's okay. Actually, it's worth it. But we have that sensor shift feature in GoPro and in iPhone 13 both. So guys, he just forgot to bring the batteries of his camera and he's so upset. So let's see. So guys, as you can see, iPhone 13 mini is quite brighter as compared to GoPro Hero 9, and look at the details about the sun it's capturing. It's quite clearer and it keeps the subject very bright. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think, which one is better.
Your skin to burst, turning to something beautiful. You know I love you so. यादों के तकिए पे बस रात मेरी सोती है. तू क्यों दूर है यूं मुझसे, तुझे चाहता हूँ पूरे दिल से. सुन ले मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी जान है, तू ही मेरा जान.
टोटली पम्प्ड अप क्योंकि MS ने कहा कि अभी तुरंत हम लोग बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स क्लिक करेंगे. तो मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे अभी ज़्यादा पिक्चर्स है नहीं क्योंकि मैं लास्ट 6 महीने से कहीं गया नहीं हूँ. 6 नहीं, 4 महीने से. तो फिर अभी मस्त पिक्चर्स क्लिक करेंगे और आप देखेंगे उन्हें नोमैडिक बैकपैकर इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल पे.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age.
फाइनली सनसेट हो चुका है और अभी हम शायद यहाँ पे लेक के साइड में वी आर गोना सिट by the lake. So I guess guys, that's it. We have enjoyed a lot and now it's 6 PM and now we are going towards Lonavla and Khandala and do some other stuff. Let's see what we have there, and if there's something interesting I will put that in this vlog, or else you're just gonna see a time lapse.
You calling, I'll be there. Oh son, I'm feeling like my whole life has changed. I never wanna be the same. It's time we rearrange. I take a step, you take a step, and me and calling after you. Hello, Ajane. Dil hote jo mere seene mein do, dusra dil